makwa babusu for braso say dey enko twetwe no ebremo honorable Kukufu ewa ha na anim PSC nso so ewa ha omu nyina nso so omu firi bepo no so na honorable kwaba
Mejo so bro
dominant anim PSC akwaba yeah bepo no so teden
ehoye
Saturday me ba ho
za
me ba manfe
onu amo me
ba tutu me fi ona me ba
wa tutu so de say na me amedi wa
me ba manfe baby a ha mo ye you
oh and say ngasa me hu
bi fufu bi na
yo say
me ba ho
oh I see eno na do ba ya na say
no
okay
sa sam ba ko mfa ni panant me ba ho be ya de ntimi wie nam so mo kire me say bibi sa nso onam so why not
oh you
ma ba e de na say ma ba
I see
na ko fu yi na ni study on to the meka no
did say oba bibia ko ye kama
oh na nya bad
na gaza obo me hu
sa
na ngani shi
when ze fu de mempe obi akan fu asam
nya no eno na mo ke
okay so ko fa ba de ani eno so no na person kan de me do be ko ho
se o fi ma fe o ko na o ko e fa na di no
me be ko di no memodi
ebisai Cropon Junction no Cropon ne Latte Junction no
so but we man ko ho we no ye upgraded advanced
ninya yesa
wow no so
kan e o kwa no na eko na wa yi bi mu
David na me ko
we yo hini jam lo yo hini jam
oh David
sampa kra de open din kra tie bi
no kra de me na nya fine because call my uncle sorry about to ahono
oma unten kan hoye
sine heya
commenting kan na maka chenda da say until say obebre bibi no me na nya fine da tell them maka manati
me jere say sabi do ate obi be bonu hu
ote ye sabete padua me nya bi kotodwa me nya bi achacha minya bi entina me no adam fufa na ye fa ne say dey
aso nka wo se ubibi ne a friend en esu akwa
ba o doctor tie wa ese o frel no tuofo
doctor no kwa me na eko
wo da ho yi we nyina
me na ewe me na ewe na me kind book be about businessman business bina almost one of the businessmen or a Nigerian. Now during his heydays, at London, moto spa. Now to spa now do review to me ne jet. Eba Nigeria be fetching chinga London. So yes, blacks be that.
Yeah.
Any BSc?
Akra.
Ye shase kra free law school for asem and am shase feel Kufu so
now if you say
na ansa na waba now so di bia so dog
aja
enra ye nuanu me call demonstration and pay no watwe nkobo and na bi say almost important pa ne san dia no mo pe say ye legal reforms legal education reforms na reforms na mo call for the say ye ma faculties no trainee students no na omunkotro bar examination no almost the omo pe no
faculties in training students
ani ntino we be ye say minim say o mesia ni bi say almost o monchire mu ye say o be ye wo LLB no ne bibia no vocation na bom na we are na general legal council na aya nhye na obetro bar examination almost o masem nyina no mu susu say de atie no e many people be nya kwan enko minim so mo de o madwen so ahwe o say at the bar no so nya bia okay well maminya answer na to masem no eno ho demonstration en ro mo ye
mame ma ahwefo ne atiefo nyina ache ne adofo a ma woda si 5th October mo wo she me ne ade nyina bon pusu bon pa e mame dam nyina the trade ampo so ase Omampani yene ne Kumasi. Nene nansa. Na ye chairman wobono. Ahafo. So yeah. Chairman Jerry. Okoja busiane ayere ne ma. Ma sie o. Sabre na mensuso ni anuanu sie ya baya baako. Akua boatna. Ni anum kodia champone ya boa ne ya pukunom. Ne bajo no emo nyina kwese memenda na awe hopa obantama me ame o honorable Asenso Boachi, deputy chief executive, deputy chief of staff, yeah, office of the president no hobby and MP sitting MP bantama honorable Daniel Ochem Aboaje ni anuanu aka nyina hia fefe na ikuja no kwan no pay making can we yard mahunu Professor Dr. Evans Amfum 100 years
yes
yeah niema sa no ya na ehia sese ya man dead na ehunu se oman no nyame ahirae ya ompanifuo bi no ma omfie timi kwa animu a ehye yinkran papa say no only the second vice chancellor of KNUS University I mean minu nyina akobie na medical doctor so medical field no so am say on establish or boy me establish a first medical school Ghana.
I think so. Maybe. Not too sure.
Yeah, you say yeah I had the na be a KNUS there. Boy me establish it. Na first lady Mama Rebecca Ekujano, sana vice president. Dr. Chinri Hessin so no mo hobi. Chere nse bibia nka musa enra ana omampani edrobuno aprobo obefre buno abedru asantema muchina okudru ye na nkwada da twa ne ho ahia school nkwada no nursing ni teacher training for na omu ebona baso so abomodin papa pasa alawana oyoye no abanda da na yifri ho no asan de aba o kan so de beba na de aba dada na incidentally nura na aso na ala ayine hete alawa no hete nkwala na accounts for the previous month no
any masre any mother wajala wada na
the person no je o training college no je ana na aban big
any uko training college okay
any watch
me na me ko bi uko na uka alawa no many age because me kai say e ba say alawa na bo
that was person na boka
I training college yen person na I think say we do second year and we introduce you and no media alawa
where did they pay you
and I will reintroduce you now honor
yeah buy no
any time a president this year be free ho how or come
say have me wakumam
so because na you pass where do you that guy uni anyway so that over pedia kase bi a kire kwala do da ade a edi kapa o say osre won ara onyere ohunu nsua de wonim say free SHS mofra no third batch mu no more way omo third year na final year
yeah
so onyere ohunu nsua de papa na o ware we shemu obetimi atwa nsohwe no na ajaya anu epibiaka anko kase onwe kufu adoma no wa hu se o mantimi antwa nti ade a teacher for
so mo nka no mo mfa nhye mi wo mo
so ya no mase ya no so bibia na asomi nti
but I thought say yes free SHS no in itself nti nya results no be determine say ya na say nya
yeah man mu a itimi di bibia say specialized ya de amami enye nsu ketwa ukodom na tramu sisi a no so benya ye beka ho asem
specialized ke tram
so na wana uzu wada minimum so eti ye futusem generally say senkwada de mutimisua homa akomani te ade a ani kapa na de obusa ya de atudwa so Mamini kan kase I am with Mranti and Mabawa na call demonstration. Who be here say ye nyina be condemn police for high-handedness. Nra kono mu fa so a omu the share demonstrators and so it was uncalled for. Now, many reasons so many, but definitely sometimes the everybody says so. You can so move for her, and no man for her no be on my coffee. But even then, no puno. This is not the way. Where your peaceful demonstrators are, how many harmful they are. Now say presidency no more call. Now say restrictions to crowd or what. You will acquire a fast one. You can and I casamani. Now as to say, but two rubber bullets in them there. Police from time immemorial. Omuana did maybe na a swear ma man for. Now said ye bon abaso kakra. Now on coffee bibi ababi boom. Me say someone pabas bono. Say bibi was service in Numa. Ejiji won sa na on pen for mesibre. If you say me I can't understand this. Ntiase. Kwa demonstration now nim say demonstration kra when je kra see ati here why ade amina isu ye ni kra ye ni age kra it see abontin see demonstrate. Yeah. So a part and parcel of our democratic dispensation. At this time and age, as I say, or Mamuni and I condemn now police administration set up on this. Whoever, you know, lady that as police officer or Kosu and SM Penny Busana Sem. Now, if you feel now, one prepare no me ma on kafra na more speedy recovery. On this, yeah,
men kasa asem we say my experience be me nya University of Cape Coast. Yeah, demonstration me Kobe and me Kobe. Ni na ye dimbi.
We pray.
Mempra na be you fi police ni na odi police for no mobile anim. Ye call ye call blockade Takra de Cape Coast kwan no. University of Cape Coast gate na no. Ye blockade no pa such that cars grant me twem. At greater chrome best akese could be ntimi twem. Enti police for no buy no mbegu mkutakuta tear gas ma wo so nkom beto. E na science students na kan ho no kan say yen nyina yen kopo na no. Ndi so mo tear gas na pomframa na bebo abegu police for na nkasa so. Ejo mutie mu hu say ba bia yakogina no moto ade na enye. But leader of the team no no your officer nti obe engage and leaders no. E no kan kire o mo say ya ade pa say de si ya ade na ya nya basabasa no ade na o ye sure say ye no aban ate na obeye hu bibi nti no ya kakra ya brenti yenko and ye chi binas ye besen abampa na yaba and ono mo kasa asa na ye boko e no mo se yenyiyi barricade no na ye se na de yenyiyi no mo ankasa beyi nti omu yi ne yensu yegyina ye ko tio ye de sere ya no mu yi free ho no obi akọ ne baabi obi empra hwe anya obi atia gas bia amem ene de koy and ye bo police ni na baso pa enti no de wo kan na me kan bia to se toda se bi te se Mr. Mekan odam ni afro njense wo pa beto bo abo no wosoro so wonti ntofom wo pe nso a akra kakra sa
abetiesi
obi si fom nti
enti wa kan dem ti ni wusam anya de a ese so but as to omu grievance no ene ade na wonim se sa de nya na o nya na mre bi atwam ko kakra bi no na nipa bebre complaining say na sa de no wo mfa mu bi da so wo kochiro sorry akọ edodo kwa akra ya de mu enti say ye ka de say PSA obefa ne sa tratra more than so be we LLB 4 years mu citations no ho ahwan ne niema na bokoboko yesi wawie na chese lawyer no suni wigi no da ha na entrance exams no so shemontem ti sebe ya obehuri akotena ha akọ ye 2 years na akọje wigi na no na aya ase
kan ye PS won kan ye yes your school no say law no de obeyi na ya no law no ba so no
say ya no na dey wigi dey share wo no ni asem na Binuma ka say my profession a jealous profession. I just say being guarded judiciously and whatever. Binum pese binum beba bewe. Me go into that details in yade. Omu asre ya disre die. Say you pin up legal education no I'm say a call for the dia make us enye no me parliament e ho assemble parliament ama no Penny Bobo na me hu be bi ekowie if you say Ghana Legal Council no or
General Legal Council.
General Legal Council or the no so who even though by act of parliament but then in she say any idea wo mu ni any kwan o mo fa so mu ye o ma de no untimi nkoyere ni bebre ana o sen so hwe na o sen so hwe no wati so ho ayi afafanto uchi afafanto she on sem sei so ho bi chi afafanto na she nsem no obusa say abua o shem nsemi wawu ana o te ase ukase wawu a obeja say nyo te ase ukase o te ase nso a no amia anyema no no wawu nti either ways you are in trouble so nti ye ade a esese ya petition aban ya petition president no minim sekwan bia so mpani betrase na nea esese omuhwe ekama ne ye bia omu proposals and they say proposals it may not necessarily
what do you say wo omo say ye ma faculties na omu betumi no and trainee lawyers ne mum yenya body to say ye was see na omo nko set for the bar no omu proposal
2 years no.
Well, I don't know in that case, say how many years. Say, LLB na we no there. In fact, I didn't get the details from them. Mr. Debisa specifically said then more proposal na saying. So but you more can generally say ye man faculty. So for example, say Gimpa, nanka Gimpa beye. So be kaya Ken University about for nanka structure no was that we 3 years and now 4 years new year.
Yeah.
Now I 1 year vocation account. Said you no Nigeria no.
Yeah.
And tisana no mutia until they realize say na omuntimi train lawyers because emra na as it is now no emma kwan man institution bia no train lawyers for vocation until the omum no bisa no say nka yenya no saa na nka ni owia no akwa city ene e pass na okọ one pass nso ana eno so
asat na baby ameti omu griba omu suggestion here unclear to me but however it is not for them and for any individual be to state near ope say a consensus building a sentias ye adwuma won adi dwumadi na hye won saa be duru ne to the be human tendency it may resist change but change so ebeba is inevitable what you say such ye koyanim no such ebeba and come to think say ye lawyers bebre wo adwumakum bebrebe o lawyer adwuma ne pese ne nya court no nko a wo kɔ a sebe tutubotom ni wo kɔ pe bail ama no nko a ne lawyer adwuma no in many spheres baby bebre ho ye mu lawyers bebre just a bad den pass we be client to create ya court sometimes ubetimi atena officer assembly to say dey kra ubetimi atena se one on one ne dipa on ne twemanso ubetimi akasa not necessary say mbakwa akuduru court and he say lawyers wo abusiam lawyers wo nyuma huduom lawyers wo ba bibibra niam ade basabasa ye ban tokwa hunu ba no yetimi tena se dwene ho kasama ne ewie pay and to training more lawyers in the day beneficial to society so na say ye hunu fa basically you were more lawyers you were more doctors you were more teachers you were more drivers you were more farmers professional obi eye na adwuma you more journalists obi eye na adwuma me gidi say ade a ebeboa society na ma yakoyanim but to say deliberately the policies be very strict now when him the ekwo be nyina ade ha ni pakasi wom ene so so bakoye nso hwe ne ma faili abaya baako me ofo ase baako nyame nko afrase ka bibi tono so ne ma me ye say ha just say ha kwada na kekese ye be kaso wa feeling so hwe and a damping spirit and a damping nipa bebre spirit for what be kosuku ya ti say ya kontintin na dem kotena na nso hwe bi na mkotena mkotro na say won mame nkobia ka jem so mame nkoi na osima faili
but honorable is it also not the case say ebia na yenso so no ye nsiesie nipa adwene ma ne ntiase say nso hwe yetimi twro e pass yetimi nso twro e faili ohwe bibi ti say see your reputation bi obi anim sometimes will be 10 years not to know ntimi nchatai wa twa we are not advocating say obi mre brehunu and say unfeel but you says sometimes it could be part of life nya da bia na yetimi nya ne sa yem prepare ni pa na adwene sa
no correct but when you have 7% or so of the patrons of any pass here then there must be something wrong with the system.
Okay,
because in sorry ne ye no and new omo akoye ni gina brane and I won so a ehwe ni gina brane so it is a to the bia say passes no koye 97% crack still an ehu uhwehwem there must be something wrong.
In fact what we say education for ombe kire mpem bebre no omo pass pa excellent for no omo number no swakakra adantamu for no doors pa na omo fail no exam bia sa na wo senka
structure
you know sa na tie graph no it is akoba ne say eye to say the aye ana say akoba ne say na bibi
and there must be something wrong and no na nipa no dodo na pese wo mu hu die pa poti ne wo if you say yes of course meaning say me so here me culture no at say interview ya yakui why panel atnase ne be interview say ye fa ye na me ne minua ya appear before panel you be busa questions be we say ba kwa pass ba kwa fail who die pa ne busa wa hu so and idea pa genuinely
there should be certainty no
yes certainty genuinely where you get obi wa insurance and there 10 questions be crow through 2 pe
so
this is all the demonstration then and any
say to say can go school no na obi a wawe ne ye ka say awam no so di mu awam
what you say and so and but on the more serious note General Legal Council and then pen international how far can we you bet me be in your memory ade now in any case say me culture so me nyan tro ekra o mama tin asensan krata say me so here me culture no me results me timi en question results na prejudicial I mean just a bibi take that and that is very worrying.
Okay.
Na principles do mu dia beji mu oni adwene no ho and then you know what police is a law enforcer and we enum prospective Fred say law students
and mo enforce law no
and mo enforce law no wo mu afenu besua law no so
any be say lawyer baby eba be do nie but just for a little bit of education can no nanka wo hwa Ghana School of Law omo school ba ko penana omo nkrofo ko bi so nim sa University of Ghana to mo kwara mo resource no kra ma empo a sa be na we university age sa afia nsa na wanya resource no ntino ubedi kan kra ko school na ansa na fe schools no be start say Bamke University ba mu na fe ababa ye we say no
Kenyatia lawyers
na no ayi friend o say o kan say pioneers na akire mu yi if so mumu di kan sana yen ye ko o say yen kan say ye call you know you start
4 years
evening 4 year we say you know I don't actually mu manya sa obechi o dedua
no kan
dey na nka saba 2010
ono ne kan pioneer
2003
utie ya ka je so ron kan pioneer ne so yen ke pioneer
ayo and then is one magachoro etino na ya ba be prayer ya du anti
you lawyer me that
so me ntio
na mechia ahwefo awo hwe sabre na memo abasonso adwuma obiso amudi
that's
honorable starty fee baby kakra na meti hockey to e bi afi wansa ya na me bisa say that ben me betimi a depoliticize Ghana education
oka panias mo kan
because then nan say ai o man pen ma call Sremantis fedo my school fi ko shia no koye ne me be ya te hu kasa ana me bwa obia na ne hu bi da na won twon aso fine kusi enne rampanyin Akufo-Addo that same thing double standard no me get say as I say ye mia ngani say betwe ho officer na ma no if you stand for something as I say man dey say me ye principled kakra eyi ni a me ye ena ya amanyofo da bia nipa bi huyan wo bibi fufuro mu ebio ne emi hu honorable atwen adwen akoso man panyin ko sha ase enra ni say mfra no adesua and no say failure quite be say so one hwe na one yere ho ampase a obi baba beka bibi nti ne awuri ye ochina bi so beka so na mo frei wo passe kura na bi akwan bi na ofa so ma wo passe ya and no say be ne den nti wa hu
NBC it over demonstration
NBC me boa wo ni that's mon kan che mon pani say ba mon kan hwe nti o ne nkwa hwe sunsun mo ade
wa hu na me kire free SHS ye de aba no mahama sha ase wa betu aso fine a national issue ayo magna de sabi enyo man ben gotukum ska no de ye ne akoda na se da bia no pa nti yen hwe ne kan komom because all is not well you will never be here say be ye nti wo ye ne say no china bi obi bozo me yen hwe na inside say ne musu say ne ma bi
ya mo beka
wo beka se den
mo beka se eyi
se obi a kire se ne timprempren o ha wo ho ti yen hwe ntutu anamon ye na ne man koto tema mo free ana man pen so de na wo hu na asa no be na ne ye tisu amfia bi sani ye ntime sesa ahwe wo mu ye nti yen konkon
but se bi produce habiem
a lot
to say the answer
so double track system yi enye the best for the children ho anu yi e ya de ba kope ye expand access
ye go so
ye nsi adan ma mo free
ye go so
e fe de adan no obesi akum classrooms no sabi you yes KVIP ama wontin momo nsem mayen you see enya no ne ye hwe o ye hwe the quality aspect of the education at that level because we are onye hwe ye e fe na so ko tertiary and so ko pursue ne career course obeso ko ye ne ya prepare ne ya ebedo ho na afia ko bibia ye ba beka ho asemi bi anaden allowance mpacho ya kan ho nsema kan ya nye ne se yi ne sa keke ye yi se mfra dodo no benya kwan akwakusua homa ubeyi why introduce quota system ekotia mfra ne bi na ekotia man no wo se no ya na do afa enti aban bi ba no susu se ye hia more nurses ye hia more teachers wonya scam fentu obi enti what restrict intake kakra bi nko na me ma allowance ehun sunsan so don gohwe yo eye ene ye kan say ebedu ba bi no na fi o man ni asa twa ehun ba bi no so ade no kra no say ne ye nsan fa nkran nyachi ye tu anamon baako ne ye tu anamon abien aba nyachi me fan twer hansa ande o man pan ni ohun adefa Ghana for the yese ne esusu ne say ye kwaku trene mofra no na ya ma ongatimi ade value papa impo se Ghana ha ye ntimi absorb on aye don ko amanone a obetima ye a valued asset. Memra, Nsama Yekin Dari.
Okay, so what the president said, the cynics, the president noted, are waiting for the poor results to say we told you so. You see? Urging the students to prove them wrong by passing excellently to give impetus to the free SHS policy.
Na fi akwa kwet senia mo fa no do na pass you na fi okodu
oso mo nyi do mo
university ho a
oso mo nyi do mo hono mo pass
okodu tertiary
oso mo nsua de no mo pass
enti anya mo wa say o man payin apprentice ni say Ghana Education Service and determine mo friend one fate
lawyer
president doesn't
when you can back we
o man payin
sa very mo fra we no omu na ye group a during President Kofor Penso free maternal care no one o ma me no mo wo a one yentia
hold for ni
okay President Kofor me mo atia no kwari bi nim ni patcho no kwari bi ni sasem no oh yes no kwari yeah
okay yeah ben establish a free maternal
patcho the mamen kan man se bi no kwari bi
yes maternity hold
wo be nya mre ne be hwehwe ma bo say sankontompo no
but me say around that time na sankoda we
no kona ko hwe send you see call fine and insurance as no nga wo benefit but you see eno na ye ka say political party be ba ben mu not the policy ba no jai say me na me de ba ya it becomes a national policy obi abi trust
we are the fans
ana
say no sana ya reduce sana o man penya go fado reduce governance na ba bedu say ordering how to win election dan say ne ebe mo magnetum pong eno na moa
okay
ni patcho memra ye nuanom ya nra wo call demonstration
law for mo twen na mo
dey the time ni nyina aka we no
nia ye can condemn nia police for ye no because say na mra ne kire no o ma permit and so be a demonstration. Nipa ni notify o. Em say about 5 days me boy. Me TAT no just o ma won notice no be 10 days ahead. Intina hwinsi ukwan. Yem hwe say demonstration wo fi ase no e call ni den. Ni ehu ni say e call so asumdwe mu. Wonye obi a wokura oboba ana wokura dua bi ana wokura hwe. Unarmed. We call demonstration here and much say we record Flagstaff House na mo ampene so. Communication beng the bar police for no and a Flagstaff House security for no one time. Because ni atete say na deputy chief of staff one mu ba kon ayo wura bridge na po. Abang na say onyi na ho na onye petition no school for na dereba. And na demonstrate na dereba. Ni ayati ni. It is a tesadia na communication beng na course between police hierarchy no and security for our Flagstaff House. Police here chain of command and ameboa. One bibi a no ko tutu no ko ye one Philipem no ye. Obi no instructing so yes had no ye no. Enti nya hia ne say ye be ye hwehwemu kon akosi ase. Enya kon enya no eya atua so ache. Hwe na na anu ya waso West Wogon. Mo ko ye chetia nkrofo fa hodi so keke. Ada na say sanjije sa na me so. Kopem na he abangi minim intolerance ne yak do so do say one teaming emma kwan say asem si kan wadwen wa kan wie me so me kam de na say na say me kan
na correct no o say dey
utie
what the police are now the
abangi police mbato wonya abango organization
oh please
no me pacho police for me pacho honorable police for na anu ye won confirm IGP ana me boa
yes of course
pacho hina no fa no
so
then okasa na me wa honorable it be call ma
under Mahama
no no obi your friend ultimate responsibility
so
hold on obi and obetimi instruct IGP ade call so was enya fe and obi antime nya apart from ban panyin ote so
president instruct to IGP
for then say let my vote count a call demonstration
please
obi sabi o unfortunately na nikotu yi no what the subon ko boy hina
okay, so you took responsibility.
So Mahama so
so did he take responsibility?
Prend the na go fa do ntino.
And it's a
baby hare. But you see, ntime masade ne nkoso eye bibia etia dodo amemu. Democracy wanya ne sa. Enti amanpanya go fa do. Sorry gina waka. Makwan no bi ntime express ne grievances. Enya fe. Wonni ho. Yeah, say we could do even Attorney General's office, Deputy Attorney General. Nenke kahone say no on the mofrano manteno se mabuno. Na answer any reporter school for natural better abonteno. Ana say hu abeka nke bebo apa. Won a kire ne see sequentially BBSC fiti ahase kopim na wi. Tan enya fe.
Na say ni pari na omunnim say ombeba ho ana. Had they notified them? Some institutions no more calling.
I cannot hold brief for them. And they mean to mention because me ni the media dance biya the honor me the better answer but here say be sa dem hwehwem krojen na babia sobo ne be kokese ya ban asoe ye na nke ye two ayawa so West Wogon incident no ye two hu anamon anke bimpa e be detail police fi woni ama wo ye hu memra asem na nkasa ne Paul Bosso dan ne ewura anam ne ewura fi na se fan school fi one grievances. Ebi ne say obi anim failure ekobe mu nipa about 7% out of nipa total. It's about 93% and they fail. Yaka ho nsema. But ni nyina ba begina say lawyer ye Mr. say nipa dodo wa he na nankwa obetimi afa. Nipa dodo wa he na se ofa. For one number me boa.
No.
Asleep. And your gross metis was about 500. Then say what for one. Until we over 1,000. Yeah, a song so. And yeah, 500 crabium. A reduce about somewhere I think 200 because foreign students been so won't be exactly any been more one so was unquack receipt bini adibi. And until I restrict access. Aden as a man. If it Dr. Nkrumah Bresu Bepimene. So ye who here say as I say yeah expand the access na. Aden as a man. It is a Ghana obi e ni mumra na nka heden. Ghana obi e ni mumra kakra because bra ye woman no dispensation ye rule of law.
But I'm can say a free Dr. Nkrumah Penso and yes ye bibia and discuss ye bibia as of minor.
Yeah.
As part of expanding and increasing access no bino and our law school no be campuses.
Yeah.
Na nke bi kura ni ho.
Good. But only for LLB anameboa.
No more LLB for now more ba law school na nkasa no.
Na yaka entrance to law school na okase obenya wo chewo no.
Nti obenya chewo no. Free tete no nyina no na makola pe.
Yeah, makola pe.
Training students.
Right.
Yen penso e ko na ye makola pe. Baby ani ho bi.
Yeah.
And they and I feel say 4 or so years.
And KNUS
and be campuses. Be campus no be wo KNUS.
You're talking about campus.
So
we no na administer
Ghana School of Law na
and administer. But still I know intimi emwe access no to near amanfo so say call.
Yes, because as a minor apart from Dana you see wo makola no.
You see
the afufro bi.
Exactly.
As I say, I say, a village, you know.
How many years
in the block?
How many years?
As of mine.
As of man. Me hauni. Incident na say there be an restrict. Sa assets no. E bin so ye protectionism. Anameboa. Yen hwe say, oh, there be no ye be quality. Yen say there be yen ko na be determine this line of governance or whatever. And also moi because so chief justice as some kind na. E ho na me twe kwakosi. So and no borders on more or less on protectionism. Young protect young profession no. Ni who said the bia no.
And yet these are not her words.
No, me na twa be musa because
no kind out there. Say you are being unfair to her.
So I didn't am the tia be ma the bia mo bronkrofo ma you. Nda potre na tie. No am si na obi no.
We say
the bia mo bronkrofo ma prepare we.
You did come ya ma
oh enim gas because no kind
say. Na some kind who cash na. Onu so ni ha no
say. No one can say. Na breso de. On hwe say ye be train lawyers no. Sabi me news awe de be ya dudu nwura okay bro exactly na me
and no crowd me nyini say wo crowd be pesa
sa
me che say wo crowd wo pesa
enya ne kwan ni me bada so what I say enya ne kwan ni say mofra over 1800 ni so ye you 300 na no baka say BC wem say either immigration or police where recruitment whatever mofra be 100 or mofra be 5000 go apply for. I say a brasso. Say so man ye be call your nima. Nipa na woman no ye resources and ameboa. Human resources no ye add value anye ye kra na Brazil training medical doctors. Exporto. Enya sika me economy kosoro. Enti dan pa na Ghana ye ntimi nye bi. Ebe cost ahe. The President Mahama dan we see for community day secondary school e-bloggy. Ba ko pe fam 5500. Say we no back na say assets and now training lawyers here ni won nyina na be court ana meboa e bi be ko aba be lecturers aba be kire e bi a friend school for we be ade e bi be ko bench nyina meboa enti ewo nkrabata bebre enti da bia yan restriction dey I will against it. Everything every beer
restriction na because at every point in time there would be some restriction and then na making kind be about KNUST students more apply in total about 56,000 more qualify about 48,000 but school not me pay 22,000 and no a restriction na because at any point be school be and to me mfanipa and tell me bisa say yen Ghana for no wonyi ni say time aso say wo say yen so bisa yen ho say lawyer for do sign and a year
lawyer for do sign
na yen
ye determine say ye be fa 200 and 300 there be a de chin Ghana nipa doso there be a de chin Ghana nipa doso so we should be proactive. Anya na da bia be si ansa yakopɛ ne solution reactionary why we yet see who say yakɔ anim no medical doctors are necessary nya because per nipa do and doctors are as say what you no be sin na ye were deficit teachers ye were deficit nurses ye were deficit Police, yeah, what deficit. Internet, yeah, back to now, open Merben. Yeah, here one services and so. Train them more. We want us to work up peacekeeping at the foreign Kakrabi Nasaka. A big police vasa making, a big guard ministers, a big guard MPs. A bekahi. Internet, yeah, here one ana. Answer ye here one. See, here one, they are done the you training more. You cried, you come rasemo. You come rasem. Man, kwang mani me. Maybe final examination. Oh, failure, fine. On continent now, on some cultural view because one be faculties. The intake Dodo Beba and our product Dodo Beba bonting. And I said, that's why be engineer. Lawyer, no query. Many make us a state in the Yadrin was I don't know. A bill, no.
It is not about
President Mahama and Ramsey. Nesaka petition o share Mrantino. On one ding combo, try say NDC ba Benma. Can be a be fast way be addresses our issue, no. You see Adang Wakasa. Said I'm making Obabo Moding say you be creating more assets. Yama said a church from Usa. Ya peko be fast am mu atro te send ya na young education system you say my teacher for to do nya konkosua because nipa bi wo ho no ma owo the zeal ne kondo na ni je ho hwe lawyer ya can make medical school mo frani be bro ho no ma wo nya access nko ba won agya no nya bibi kakra no de won ko Ukraine no ne ade ko ba but wo meye wo be genatum nti adan na say sem fan say obi on de na wo fun ni binti wan fa na nko Ukraine and now Russia and now be a China and now say US and go train as medical doctor. Kwebi as a cover. The whole not they copy me. And so now yeah brilliant. Oh bet me idea made this restrictions that they you bet me up for you be go ma say if not all of them. Yen fatoto kakra nchenya ye.
You see first I don't do now still no. It means says restriction.
But at least it will be far better off done.
And tell me because I only say or say to me as of money to me beside who say lawyer for the door saying any be here.
Number number say over for 500 that's a number 500 peso for me and they been so we are located because other people.
Because so yeah I was say who say we resources in terms of near facility in Kwesi.
Exactly so.
Actually, for no lawyer for a peculiar when it comes to lawyer for me lectures. Predominantly, nipa be brave much you know. If you're almost answer practicing lawyers. In fact, getting people say among law practice to crowd me lectures no issue. Enti don't pay be no they rely on almost say be fufu.
I don't know me can.
We don't nyina ye near be a.
Oza maka ma address ko. Nye won nyina na be back court den mu na be ka so ye hia kakra bi. Pato mebo. Na me wo sha si ti akom na me. Na me point bank am make but I'm say I escape from kakra but I make can say ye hu say say nipa ebia 1000 500 nache in fact anya kra na obete professor Kweku Azah. Or status are badly and
good.
Or status are movement and
since when?
But I said near Ubia Yinia to say or non crana sabi you one who not no person ye. But then no me her be I may aspire to be there and then now nti
I think the national court
find a way of expanding the
I can maybe stay on course but on the debate of former President Mahama Abem Sisia and PCA boy no it's not a taboo but you're drifted to a situation there a on call for and necessary Sisia what can say Professor Azah or starting crusade in yene once I me can say and yene at that time I know the vice president no, you're president for 8 years, you know. Now all solutions to that. And then
solution or one and say, "Abua won't so when never a pioneer."
Tobo.
Because 1 year woman abeng abreso. What there are some banners and not one as of manga. Munyantum.
Hold my main correct kakra. Pioneer no shall say 2004. Oh baby.
Because you don't have the records.
But you see, what so it doesn't mean but this is about your cause.
The question beside this. As former president or aspire to be a president, the asthma between most definitely so beka se be ba mehwe na maye
ano nka se mo fa mo
enchese na no ebia nei na akwakodu mpempenso bia dede na dɔɔso and what's wrong with
it he chose to address JSS
please
JSS for no kwa address wo en fa no ho
listen to me
o man fa nkotone o man
JSS for no kwa address wo
anu so ye necessary
ejanye kwa no bi anfa no
anu so ye necessary
anye pro bi anfa ma ben no so say JSS for say o address wo
question now beside
no kwa politics
question now beside
because you can hear pa we lawyer mua nti wonnim
lawyer TK
wo how
amampani
no
ko ba conference
Emranti which is what addresses us.
Yeah,
it's not an issue asabe no.
Lawyer TK issue you ask a very good question. Say SHS dada omo di ade akoma no enti mo nka ho asema of course we be ka ho asem but what count from the contribution asem ran chance ne
and I want to as president now we say no we ni ho na mo bia
wo penso wadi eh pa kwasi du no beka we ya mini how
JSS for
na beka we ya mini how
because I don't need your priority.
Yes, of course, because
JSS for any priority.
Fantastic. No, why not?
Sorry now FD as an elephant now we be win election no theater side no such
one call demonstration call demonstration bezo me one fast no
make their own decisions
one ma onua no nketo JHS one fast no JHS. You cannot discount JHS. Momo, your JHS, the SHS, so pet, no more popo, because you have problem there. Because I bear, I had yes or back to legal education. Make mistake in the say. The back stops at General Legal Council. As I say, on Memuni, ye tenacity, no on tenacity. Now, at hot point, and on expanded. Your way, Ghana teaching a year mokwe, teachers college ya mokwe, and the nursing college ya mokwe. And you'll be our papers or nursing training on Yakwako. Afibiara, there's a cut-off point somewhere. Anna, a mass, a block. So what are you talking about? This kind of political hypocrisy.
Listening to him, no,
yes.
no, Ankasa Ubia or say, raising numbers.
Raising numbers. Does it have to take a president to raise the numbers? Does it have to take a certain president to raise the numbers? Really? Please, I didn't issue no baby that. Let us deal with it. Generally, if you don't know, please let us educate you here. General Legal Council, and what the mandate to regulate legal education or men, but
Aban ain't me engage you.
Aban between engage you. That's why I said engagement. That is why I said TT. That's why I said stakeholder engagement, of which Aban can be. Society can be. Civil society can be.
The same thing now.
Oh, yes. And yet it does not take a precedent. Say Mahama say me be a president, then you sit here and tell the whole Ghana.
No, did he say
this
that?
kind of you are telling us. You are telling us. So go and tell Mahama say it's hypocritical on his part. General Legal General Legal Council has the mandate to do that. It is so the General Legal Council. You chose engage students, we engage stakeholders, civil society organizations. Then how best can we address this situation? In time past, Parliament.
Responsibility absolutely on General Legal Council.
It is not absolute.
But the entire makers for example, maybe a General Legal Council say resource you need structures. General Legal Council, with all due respect, the budget is free up. In Tinky Castle, a law school village. She can't be free up by her. Nay, DSC. Ntiaban say, oh, Menyasa say, my budget to media shame says, you be see law school village, you know, the cassia capacity. General Legal Council to be my cancer, young Prema Munko,
court complex.
It appears to me, sir, the fact that the state, and in this case, I'm not talking about a particular government. Say, young or minor, a change General Legal Council.
That is why I'm talking about hypocrisy on the part of politicians. At this point, former President Mahama, you can't see a basis law village, you know, law school village. You know. How many years in?
Oh,
Assassin, no new vice president. No, oye me
Tobo
listen.
Lawyer.
Oh, can law village.
So
law village
doesn't mean say
and then again, win him.
Sadly,
I reached the climax when I was in Parliament. A man for a deputation near the bar Parliament. In fact, General Legal Council cry now Parliament called in General Legal Council. That time, no you Mahama na president. And then when you see the Fiat, now one wuzul the way through. Now one teaching General Legal Council.
Mahama solve Ghana problem, you know.
No.
Address JSS. President Mahama solve Ghana problem.
The hypocrisy of it, as if say you can't do anything about it unless we have a national consensus. Then we sit down and then we find the way out there.
And the pages, Chief Justice Nekusi, a bank be a so. Enti John Mahama si Oba, come over fast. Not least yet.
So desperate, very
is not doing it. Oh no.
John Mahama about Bemo be a lawyer Ghana. That's
a bang nap him.
Mahama
Ghana problem.
What kind of hypocrisy is this?
As if so you mean see Adam Mamo friend.
As if so you president. Please, let give us a break. Now, let's call on General Legal Council. My conclusion is let's call on General Legal Council as a nation. Parliament must revisit this issue again. Then stakeholder consultation must go in there. Near proposals are on putting forward, should not be discounted. And from that table, so you know the clarity of it.
So it should be a national discourse.
A national discourse.
Okay.
A national
so the leader of the
of course,
the nation.
Government should be able to lead this kind of thing.
All right.
And now, when him say lawyer for you, lawyer for you officially, a penny attorney general, Minister of Justice.
And also for
Ghana Bar Association leadership. May you call Takrade. President spoke on some of these things. I think we must go beyond the speeches and all that. We need to take concrete actions. And all must be there on deck. Yem frabai or no frabem or represent by. Now Parliament. Parliament here legal friend is saying. Legal Select Committee, any idea of Parliament. Now, indeed, Parliament, so we cannot discount legal education.
But honorably, a brass assembly, a call Parliament.
Yes.
After Supreme Court, decision.
Yes.
A call Parliament.
Yes.
The issue of entrance examination.
Exactly.
A call Parliament. Parliament and Kasi free.
That time, Mahama na president
had blessed.
That time, Mahama na president.
Oh, but no, you speaker.
Of course,
Mahama at the time, as someone buy, parliamentarians this year. They gave blessing to Sanchi and Nigeria Legal Council. I say, Ubetro entrance
exactly.
Just Rebecca say.
So it's embedded in Supreme Court. Yes.
I was a trans and
that is why I'm calling for national
council. General Legal Council, and I'm not addressing you, sir. As the General Legal Council, no one per se, in Nipebinum Bear. Now, I had occasion to address this, sir. So, okay, sir, Nipebino, more, we have been pursuing Hunipacro.
That's the point. Busana,
welcome policy.
Welcome into Busano.
Okay, you'll be anonymous. Well, minimum. Sa policy, bay. A canny penny number. A politicians.
Yes.
It's a judge for ma. A car lawyer for ma.
Be the camera.
Minim lectures be more how mama or man to me and Kobe or Moko baby for fro. And you know, may I remember Pesabeka as a nipper could be penny pound or Tihono. Judicial Council penny pound, no, I granted back minim last year, minim the bar. And you know, well, I was a foreign commoner, Savia Hoka, but Mitiati and Muno, media de Mefe Freeman say. Yang as of mine was a transcendent dream.
Exactly.
Sure. And we may need some discourse on this. After you also best say institution be anywhere nipa a passive free feeder institutions no mean any admission. They be in see baby we are say. There be a University of Ghana until say we by those days make nipa be a 700 cultural entrance examination.
Now don't count
150. One card administration. KNUST. Yeah, call be no be no cultural exams.
Yeah.
with your first degree no kura person akotro
na that where your second degree
na and so still
by the time you kotro
you say numbers ni person be ekoso na mum say say wholesale say
nobody's calling for that.
That's what President Mahama is saying. Former President Mahama is saying.
How I drink say mpendodo na wunni enough access ro sonso to the letter. So what I say, in sonso no timi affect you bia. So nya opportunity na if it's offered and can be obetimi a come up successfully. So what I say, in sonso no yakọ beyond baby I bet me a handle. Tini ye call for say yen hu bribi. Pin wa any solution. All right. It takes a leader. It takes a leader.
That's where you have a problem
to
lead.
Exactly so.
Somebody should.
Exactly.
And that is my beef.
That is my profession.
At that time, Mahama was the leader.
About profession.
Mahama wasn't the leader.
About only thing
because Mahama it was a hot potato.
Every problem we handle.
It was a hot potato.
If he becomes the president,
it was a hot potato.
If he becomes president tomorrow, he will solve the problem.
Na yama obia anko na faculties no entry ni omo no mo nkotro ba no say eno so e wo ne eno ankasa eno so wo ne peculiar
and negativities
enti no e ho de okoduru ho a na ompa so say mfie dukura na unya umpaase wo ba na wo ho na market time. It also happens elsewhere. And it says see no.
Just Nigeria am say one strike and sign it
say obia be kwa kowuram na ukotro ba na eno so wo ho
ba
and say usu eno so wuram apa be lawyer
ba council I say you very careful so this should not be reduced to NPP NDC usual politics.
And then the muntum hofo.
To President Mahama for I don't know the better. I don't know initiative.
Petition no come on ho kwata na president fado eye bi no.
Onye sa. One. Ya agitative.
But honorable Kufuor.
It's serious.
Minim say asama mafani Mahama kan e no. So can be indicted government here.
No, he didn't.
No, meba.
Oh, she no
can say.
Well,
when make sure so problem. That is the beef. That may be why you chew your boy yele. There's a man son. Who you then what about? No, go strategize. What makes you better be prime fufuro bi na ni na no hoso no na se betrans bi am so what would the operation word
MPP what position
how the operation word
na black and white lawyer Mrs. MPP what position na black and white politics no Mahama ka black no ka white or ka white or ka black and then because we need clear cut solution to Ghana's problem
they don't abusianfo ebe page mu mansa ebe page mu no minuanom students no time be a many opportunity be I address them this way say demonstration no be koso agitation no be koso but say between now and next year no sense say be ama mo ye ni na so na musua de enso ka ho because say be between now and then no be na nhye foforo be ama muntie mi ye menka say emma na menka say be na menko ka say me ma na emma mum de menka ne say mo be siesie mo hono mo atwen de mo prepare no so nyamba empo a mo be koso na mo asua de mo prepare
wait back Supreme Court for
court
about this
oh yeah court Supreme Court as about parliament
as the share no enim Supreme Court ka say an ampa say be bia ni ho a e wo ho say sa ally na wo de be ko Ghana School of Law na yes ko throw entrance examination ampa na enim say koye interview enim and
so what is the way
omo declare say enim omo we na court no order so no omo consequential order say and then they gave the General Legal Council no room say some person mo dia no ye adwuma dia na je se mo kɔ na mo kɔ sesa airline no na mo de be hyem sa afi so be ba apart from so nya LLB the subjects bi o ho a wa pass no wo be tro entrance examinations so
they are
AG omo de ye de sa da bi omo act against omo de kɔ parliament and na parliament e de shame omo de ashame no parliament shira so
that time na Mahama na ye president
our parliament our parliament na Mahama president of parliament
etino omo de shame etino
na Mahama president of parliament
Ghana
hey Eddie
okay and I'm always say vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia okay on nkwada na wo Saint Louis Marie Children's Hospital ono on ekodi awoda no Mr. Vice President Emo Afisia Pabio related and ono ne de na yeda be Enra. That was on the 7th.
For
me feast no yes
7th. And I wouldn't answer so last 2 weeks Kodofusu.
Oh
friend no dear.
Na me ni ha
I only had now
me dey meko me dey meko fi.
O hamper way.
Me da no na ajeje.
Me na me jeje. Na unim.
E wadwuma doso. Me de be share office.
Etino sare na Supreme Court can say sabe no modikan ye nhyehyeye ebi ma koto form IPS ka mo de ba betro
pathetic
ntinya ade a obeka say mo ntwa exams no mu enti ombekọ akotro na emom se omo pese ye de be hye mu de a ene omo mfa nkohye be ko parliament nso
sorry now finding an antidote to this.
Yes I saw man trust because
oh
yes of course because the you create that so the stigma so akotro so
man no ya
obi kura kuta 3 degrees master's degree ni ade meti assistant so hwe bi obetimi afa minim sa professor for no kura bi fail
this is school for no access one for marking scheme number no he say
but the point is about lawyer who got transfer has no outro no ye no pass so no zu ni unimu
o say
sense so here akotro
o wunim and as one pass so
yes
we are deal
but you wunim pa
and a lot as some say yemfa ma bonten say dey wo mu nie yenye ne sa
we should be a bit transparent
nam ayi mo ka say for then
yapon
great
some catch us makra that I said bibi nti o man adwuma bi nti
enye education is
but I no so ho
enwuma mu ni ade
there be education there na aba yen kan no
but I no kwa mu video no mu hu that explicit na because
movie no there be movie
I think that na make on side no say yenye further investigation.
Further investigation.
BBC area.
No. Further investigation. But you see the
no. Yeah, you can men na ya but they can say you say BBC awo ho. Why would we go and do this? Na we are ya ni ma sa na ya no.
What you say? Now we be by. Yes.
I'm not calling for him from BNI but
I get your can say. No, it doesn't make sense to anybody.
It doesn't.
Sabi will be BBC Fonde will not come and address it here.
Not at all.
University of Ghana more sexual harassment policy.
Exactly.
We should take advantage of it.
Because I mean,
your boss so men go lecture be anim koye bi an correct.
Me one chairperson no.
Trantana will be anim some
to her no.
The pass mercy we na be yen ntimo koye. Sa na ya kan once man
na how kakran say watch a video na there's nothing like say we ko share dan bi ma na bibi sa.
Ayo.
Enti me no enye clear ma me. Ba de ba ko a e be say bi esi dan so no ba ko no nkwa na.
Ya munyi Oxford.
What choose out of
any Cambridge, any Leeds, any Leicester, any Staffordshire, anyone dey so much na yen.
Yeah.
Yet ha ye twen. Mapon.
I think say one.
Mapon.
Wapon. For studio.
Chanya me at. Na for studio. Chanya me at me say